guys, KJ207 here, and I'm here with a friend today, Mia Shram. And we're going to be doing, this is a weird video. It's not like my other videos, Lego. We're going to show you how to make a paper fidget spinner. It doesn't actually work, but it looks really like a fidget spinner. So first thing you'll need, an actual fidget spinner. And you need to take the cap off, because you're going to need to trace it. And you need to trace the fidget spinner. So, let's get to it. Mia's going to hold the camera down while I do the work. So, come on, Mia. So, if you like show it over, you gotta. Okay, so I'm gonna trace it with a Sharpie.
Don't push so hard.
I'm not. Okay, so this is what it should turn out. You gotta draw the little circles. Wait, I'll draw the circles. Then if you want, you could decorate it to this. I'm gonna decorate mine. And if you want to, you could color the whole thing, but you can pause the video if you want to. I'm drawing my bearings right now. I'm using really hard construction paper right now. It's like really hard to bend. So, this is gonna turn out really cool, I hope. Mia, she has twin brothers named Kate and Cole, but they made all-stars in baseball, so they're at practice right now. So I'm gonna decorate mine. So, no, that's black Sharpie. I'm gonna use a green Sharpie.
Even a Sharpie.
Wait.
Don't you do the cap?
Wait, no, I'm not gonna do green because the color of the thing is green.
Is there an orange one?
I'm just finding green Sharpies. Look here. Ooh, silver. I'm gonna use silver. Oops, sorry if I hit you. Oh, that didn't work. But I'm just gonna color this silver, all silver.
George, be quiet.
Yeah, that's my dog right there, George. And that was working.
Oh my gosh, is it like hardening on the paper?
Wow, this really works. I didn't know it worked this good. Color all of this.
When do you do the caps?
Okay, so whenever you're done,
You show it? Like full show.
like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut out the fidget spinner.
I'm not gonna be able to cut it too early.
Okay, it's working. My hair is kind of wet because we were just now on a slipping, or not slipping slide on a trampoline. We put the sprinkler under. And my dad got us some ice cream. And whenever I was running in the house, I slipped and almost broke my tailbone.
I think he did break his tailbone. I think you did. I told your mom, she said you might have.
Yeah, if I hit my head whenever I was a baby, that would explain a lot. So, that's how mine turned out. And to make the cap, you will get the cap. You need to take off. Wait, see if we can.
Oh my god, that smells so bad.
Just gonna do that. And then get a cap like this. Get a Sharpie. Kind of got off. You're gonna need to make 2 of them actually. One on this side and one on the other. So, I hope this turns out to be a really cool project. You're gonna need to let it dry for a little while too.
You can like put this in time lapse. Put this in on it. Like the coloring and stuff.
I don't think I could do that.
Okay. Here, is this dry?
No, don't, just leave it.
No, that's not dry. What is it?
No, just leave it. Okay, so I'm getting the catch pretty good right now. It actually doesn't work, but if you're kind of mad at me since it doesn't work, it's just to have fun.
Don't leave hate in the comments.
I know, I hate that.
That's your problem.
If you leave a hate in this comment, I will tap. And if you have a YouTube video, I would leave a bad like too. Or my dad.
And he'll tag you in a YouTube video.
I hate whenever people leave me links.
If you don't like our video, it's your problem, not ours. So.
If you don't like the video, please don't be a jerk about it. Just say, don't watch it again. But if you do like the video, tell other people.
And tell us.
That looks cool.
Well, let me see one more.
Wait, I'm gonna super.
So this is what we basically have right now. We're gonna put the caps on. You need to color this in better. You didn't look like you put much time in it.
Just like.
Is it actually gonna spin?
No.
Wait.
Wait. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
Turn it over.
No, I'm gonna. The backside. Ooh, the backside's gonna be cool. Wait, I'm gonna read this. The backside is just gonna be completely black. Wait, no, the backside. So we're gonna do this right here. We're gonna color this part black. It's really easy to make. You're probably thinking it's kind of hard. It's really not. It's taken us about, this video's been 8 minutes long. Probably, you might think it's long. It's really not though. Wait.
That's my emoji.
Okay, show the camera a little better. She's gonna be my camera girl.
I might need to color this in a little better for you.
And this isn't just how to make a fidget spinner. We're gonna make some more stuff. Do you think we should?
Probably.
Okay. So, we're gonna, once we're done with our fidget spinner, what should we make? Huh? My dad used to work at Winn-Dixie.
The one like in Prairie, like the one.
No, Baton Rouge.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Hey man, running down the
my friend Mia had saw my dad's Winn-Dixie name tag. Just leave it alone,
You're
Mia.
like exposing him.
Who?
Your father.
Why?
That
Wait,
needs to be
quick.
edited out.
What is the question? What is exposed to mean?
Like show like. Probably.
Okay, so whenever you have your fidget spinner done,
It's not a bobblehead.
then it's gonna look kind of like, this is the back, and this is the first. The first,
Here,
the
take the
back.
Sharpie out of it and like show it.
Ooh. And then we're gonna cut out this bearing. We're gonna leave this
Wait,
through.
I'll cut it. You want me to cut it?
I got it.
And tell us if you're like doing this with us right now. Like if you're like
And tell me if you have any more ideas we could have done for this. Tell me, and we might make another video or delete this one and make another one.
Comment anything besides hate. If you have hate, it's your problem, not ours.
And this is our fidget spinner. Hope y'all like it. It doesn't really spin, but you can pretend like it. How do you like it, Mia?
It looked really cool.
So this time, we're going to use a sheet of paper to make something else. So
watch your iPad.
Wait, I'll just hold it and talk. Making the fidget spinner was really fun. If you think we're just doing this to impress you guys, no, we love. I do this stuff a lot, and we're having a great time doing it. I wouldn't do something just to impress you guys. I'm sure you guys are really nice people, but I wouldn't do that. I mean, posting the video on YouTube, I do it to get a bunch. Another one. Okay. Actually, wait. No, we're gonna actually continue one more project after this one, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be a surprise.
Y'all, this video is gonna end up really long.
It is. No, and how about this? We don't tell them what it is, and they tell us in the comment section. Tell us in the comment section what you think it's gonna be, or what it is. So, first, no, I don't want to stop the video. So first, you gotta fold your paper equally like this.
I'll do it along with you,
Okay.
just in case you mess up, and I'll
I can have this.
yeah. Okay, so what are we doing? Okay, so we're folding it like a hamburger.
No,
Whatever.
and then there you have it. Get your glue. Glue the end. And then glue this shut.
Hey.
Wait. And then, Mia, you can make one whenever we get to your house. I'll tell you how to. Whenever you have it with this, it's glue. Wait, no, the glue didn't work.
You gotta put a little more than that. So this is basically what he's working on right now. So sorry, so like the construction paper is like green, so it's like really hard to kind of get it like focused. So this is what we're working with. He's just gluing it shut. So if you can't see, we apologize, but like
Wait.
we can't really help that.
Okay, once you have this, then fold it.
Again. Okay.
The glue didn't work for me, so if you're using construction paper like this, she ripped the glue. Okay, let's just put the glue to the side and
I'm gonna make something else, and I'm gonna do.
Okay. Nia will show y'all how to do something after this. But it's gonna be like this. So get a sheet of paper like this, black Sharpie, and Mia, hold the camera over. I want to. You need to see this. So first of all, you make your line. Just like a big box. Then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. And then
Put your hand.
1, 2, 3. So there's 3 rows. That's what it, yeah, you can see it. Okay, and then
You're gonna
6
get
by
3,
this.
so it's 6 by 3. Oh, that's a good angle. Okay, that's good. I don't need to hold it.
Tell me what you think it's at the end. And if you get it right, in my next video, I'm
I'll
going
give
to
you
check the comments.
And he'll give you a shout out.